Okay, today I'm going to be applying silicone to the base of the curb and in the corners of the shower. I'm going to be using this special tool to get really clean caulk lines. If you ever have trouble working with silicone, we're going to go over the process today. Let me show you. So the kit that I got, it comes with a couple different tools that have different grout joint sizes, 8mm, 5mm, standard, and a couple other ones. Let's apply some silicone, and then I'm going to show you how I'm using this. So two things to keep in mind when using this tool. You need to keep the edge clean, and you need to keep it tight against the surface that you're swiping against. I used to hate working with silicone just because it got my hands all sticky and I couldn't get it off, but the rubbing alcohol works pretty good. So, what do you think of this method? Would you try it? Was this helpful? Let me know.